Cheers class. Lesson 9. 50 Ask and Answers for Water Treatment. Question 1 to Question 3. Question 1. What is the water of self-purification? Water self-purification is the natural process where water bodies remove pollutants through sedimentation, chemical reactions, and biological activity. Microorganisms break down contaminants, while physical and chemical processes reduce pollutant concentrations, helping to restore water quality naturally. Question 2. What are the basic methods of sewage treatment? Sewage treatment methods include primary treatment, removal of solids through screening and sedimentation, secondary treatment, biological processes like aeration and digestion to break down organic matter, and tertiary treatment, advanced filtration, disinfection, and nutrient removal to further purify the water. Question 3. What are the current sewage treatment technologies? Here are 3 kinds of sewage treatment technology mainly used: physical treatment method, chemical treatment method, and biological treatment method. See you next class. Bye-bye.